Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So s squared divided by s squared, we have number 1. 1 divided by s squared, we keep the same. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s plus 1 over s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. Next, this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u. And now we have the final answer about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.